In today's video, we shall talk why all BRP cards expires on 31st December 2024. The UK is replacing Biometric Residence Permit cards with digital immigration status to modernize the immigration system, enhance the security and streamline the processes. Before we dwell into today's topic, a quick intro. I am Yash Dubal, Managing Director at AY Indus Listers. We are an SRA regulated legal 500 firm with over a decade in UK immigration, winning multiple awards, serving 4,000 plus clients and having 1,200 positive reviews. We are here to help you. So the first question is, why were the BRPs introduced? The BRP cards were introduced in 2015. It replaced the old paper-based permits for non-EEA nationals staying over 6 months. It aimed at enhancing security with biometric data like fingerprints, photos. It also helped in preventing fraud and illegal immigration. It also provided a standardized method for checking immigration status. Did serve as a portable proof of individuals' immigration status. So the next point is, what were the problems with BRP cards? So the BRP cards as a physical document risk loss or theft, posing identity theft risk and status proof complication. Now, issuance and renewal and replacement of BRP cards brought administrative burdens as well. Replacing a BRP was costly, time consuming and restricted international travel until it's replaced. Delivery issues like delays or incorrect collection points led to fines for late collection. Mistakes on BRPs like wrong details, work condition or stay length required reporting within 10 days to avoid replacement cost. Now, all these problems, so these BRPs are getting replaced. And how are they getting replaced? That's the next agenda. Instead of issuing physical BRP cards, individual will be provided with a digital immigration status, also known as e-visas. This digital status can be accessed online through the UK government's immigration portal anytime. All individuals who currently hold a BRP card will be able to use it until 31st December 2024. Following this date, there will be transition to a digital immigration status. It's important to note, very important to note, the expiration date is 31st December 2025 applies to only BRP. It does not extend to the expiration of your permissions to stay. So what are the benefits of this new digital immigration status over BRP? Digital immigration status uses advanced encryption. It lowers the identity theft, forgery and fraud risk. It simplifies the administrative task, cuts paperwork, processing time, cost for individuals and authorities, facilitates the smoother travel with easy border entry and exit. It offers online access anytime, eliminate the need of physical cards and lessening the loss or damage risk. It reduces the plastic and paper use, aiding to environmental sustainability, adapts more readily to technology and regulation changes, allowing for easy updates and service expansion in immigration. So there are a lot of benefits, as you see here, replacing BRP with digital immigration status. So in today's video, we have covered everything you need to know about the expiry of BRP cards to 31st December 2024, the reason behind the decision and the new benefits of the new digital immigration system. So if you need further assistance, don't hesitate to reach out to us on the number on your screen or complete a short inquiry form now that you will find in the description section below. I hope this helps. Please subscribe to our channel right now to keep you stay updated with anything to do with UK immigration. And I thank you so much for watching this video with me.